Today starts week 3 of jury selection in Brunswick, Georgia, where 3 men are being tried for the murder and the death of 25-year-old Ahmaud Arbery. Now, here are 3 things you need to know tonight. No jury selected yet, but defense attorneys predict this could wrap up the jury selection process tomorrow, with opening statements starting as soon as this Wednesday. And there are some concerns about juror no-shows. On your sides, Kaylee Tracy's been at the Glenn County Courthouse every day since this process started. She joins us live from there tonight. And Kaylee, we've talked a lot about the time this jury selection process has been taking, but today you heard some new concerns about juror no-shows.
That's right, Heather. A defense attorney for Travis McMichael, that's Jason Sheffield, he tells me that about 60% of those people who got jury summons to come here for jury selection, that's only the amount that have come. So just 60% of those who were called here have showed up. And now he says it is frustrating him and some of the other defense attorneys inside this courthouse here. It's causing them to worry that the jury pool for the defendants may not truly be a jury of their peers. Today, just 17 of the 20 expected showed up at the courthouse this morning, and Sheffield says just 360 of the 600 people initially summoned have reported for jury duty. William Roddy Bryan's attorney Kevin Goff now saying he plans to file a motion stating Bryan is not facing a jury of his peers. Specifically, he says white males over 40 born in the South who do not have college degrees, a group he called, quote, Bubba or Joe Sixpack, are, quote, significantly underrepresented in the jury pool. Sheffield says while Goff's word choice was interesting, he thinks he has a point.
To the extent that that population then doesn't fairly reflect the accused in this case, where the accused can't look across the courtroom and see persons that are similarly situated to themselves, then it may be that they feel, and we as the lawyers feel, that we really don't have a fair cross-section of the population. And that would be grounds to file some type of motion to have the court perhaps enforce some higher level of attendance than we've seen thus far.
Now, I did reach out to the clerk of the Superior Court here to ask about the juror response rate and whether those who did not show up, there's plans to punish any of them. I have not yet heard back. As for Sheffield, he does think that he can still get an impartial jury here, a fair and impartial jury here in Glenn County. His reason why tonight at 6, and they are still questioning some of those potential jurors who showed up this morning right now inside the courthouse. Reporting live in Brunswick, Kaylee Tracy, First Coast News, on your side.